Hi, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that story, 10 Black Dots. Now what we're going to do is create our own creations using black dots. Now to do that, we have a couple materials that you can use. At any time in this video, you can pause so that you can gather the materials that I'm talking about, and then you can create your black dots with me. So for example, one way you could create black dots is if you have your parents just print off a sheet that has black dots on it, and then you can cut them out. So you will need a scissors. No matter what today, you are going to need a scissors and a glue stick. So when I'm cutting my black dots, I want to be very careful and cutting, taking my time, going all the way around. Then we can practice our cutting skills. Kind of tricky to cut a circle because you have to go all the way around. And I have one black dot. So you would take time to get all of your black dots cut out. Today, I think you should cut out 10 black dots, okay? So you will need 10 black dots to create your activity today. Now, if you don't have your parents cut or print out something with black dots, there's another way that you can make your black dots. The materials you'll need are your scissors, black construction paper, and a white crayon. If you'd like, you can pause your video so that you can get some black construction paper, a white crayon, and then you can play the video once you have your materials. So let me show you how I'm going to do it. Here you can see my paper, and I'm going to start drawing circles on my paper. Now I want them to be a good size. See that size of black dot? I don't want to make my dots really small, and I also don't want to make them very big. So this one I would not cut out. This one I would not cut out, okay? So let me just show you. You want to be careful, being smooth all the way around. Okay, now I'm going to draw 10 black dots. So far I have 4. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little dots, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little dots, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little dots, 10 little dots for me. Good, let's see. Let me make sure again that I drew 10 dots. You can sing with me. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little dots, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little dots, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little dots, 10 little dots for me. Okay, I have my dots. Then, of course, I take my scissors and I carefully start cutting around my dots. And you will keep cutting until you have your dots cut out. Now, if you don't have any construction paper, you can just use white paper and draw black dots. So let me go in my crayon bin. And I have a black crayon and a white paper. So if you need to pause the video to get a paper and a crayon, you can go ahead and do that. Okay. Now I need to draw my dots again. This time, since I don't have black paper, I'm going to draw my dot and then I need to color it in. And I'm going to do another one. You can go ahead and draw with me. Being very careful to stay in the lines. Getting my black dots all colored. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little dots. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little dots. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little dots. 10 little dots for me. That's a good little song, isn't it? So I can get all of my dots drawn out, get them colored in. I'm wondering, what can I make with my black dots? Remember in our story when there were 7 black dots and they made him a snake? Or when there were 3 black dots and they made a snowman face? What do we see that has circles in them? If you look around your house, is there anything that has circles in them? When you go outside, when you look around, what do you see that has circles in it? Be thinking about that so that when it's time for us to make our creation, we know what to do. Okay, I have my black dots. Now I'm going to cut them out. I hope you're working with me. Now, if you're not at the same speed as me, that's okay. You can always pause the video. Today, in your assignment, you are going to make something that uses 1 dot, something that uses 2 dots, and something that uses 3 dots. Next week, I'm going to have you make other things that have more black dots. So if you want to make more than 10 black dots and then save them for when we do another black dot activity, you can go ahead. You can also include your family members and have them cut out black dots with you. Then you can see what are they making with their black dots and what are you making with your black dots. So I'm not going to cut out all my dots today because I just want to show you what we're doing with these dots. So I have some dots ready to go. The next thing I need is a glue stick. So I will need my dots and my glue stick. And a paper. What could you make that just uses 1 black dot? I'm going to take my glue stick and glue my dot on my paper. Now I get to use my inventive thinking. Remember, inventive thinking is when I come up with something totally new. What has a circle in it that you could make? I turned my 1 black dot into a flower. What could you make that uses 2 black dots? I'm going to grab a new paper. You could make your own book. You could make your own black dots book. So maybe I don't want to glue my dots down yet. Maybe I want to start moving them around and getting some ideas. How can I use these dots together to make something? Ooh, when I put my dots like this, it gave me an idea. I think it's easier to put the glue on the paper first and then sticking the dots on the glue. Instead of trying to put glue on my little dot, that's a little bit tricky. I made me! Maybe I should give it some glasses. My glasses are kind of rainbow, but I'll just make them purple. There we go. What else could you make with 2 black dots? You're going to make your own. What could you make with 3 black dots? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What kind of creations can you make? That's what I want to see, your new inventive creations. You are going to make your own creation using 1 black dot, 2 black dots, and 3 black dots. Then if you have some extra dots with you, you can make whatever you want. But for sure, using 1 black dot, 2, and 3. Don't use what I did. This was my inventive thinking. And this was my inventive thinking. We don't want to copy what someone else did. We want to do our own ideas. I can't wait to see what you create.